Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. Checking in on Bitcoin. Bitcoin technically a triple bottom now, 1, 2, 3. Came up, did not get a close. There was a potential very sloppy double here. We didn't even talk about it, it was so sloppy. Went into rotation zone, another rotation back down, returning to the prior GAN level. So now on any rally, yeah, you got minor resistance coming in about 7,000. Major resistance now coming in about 71.28. And if we rally beyond there and watch for this breakdown area about 73.32, triple bottoms are generally slightly favor continuation patterns, which means we'll probably see some lower prices. So next major cluster, 68.75, 67.85 to 68.09. Then 67.29 to 66.88, and again fine tune this best, especially this most recent swing, which gives this 68.09 and the 67.29. If we push down and then recover again, I'm going to update it to that push to see. I bet you we'll get more of a cluster now down by the 66.88. But these are levels we're watching for reversal patterns, and a big sell 64.86, essentially 6,500. Checking in on a day, so we got a 1 day pause and could not sustain a rally. So we've had a lot of weakness. One small up day in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days, one up day. Again, if we rally, here's the key area on any rally based off the daily, 72.69 to about 73.25, focusing right in on 7,300. We're right where this prior support becomes resistance. So if we do get some bottoming pattern, or you've already bought some, we do get the rally, definitely move up your stops there. We're just going to keep watching for potentially lower prices, especially returning to this 68.75 level, which you see is a lot of prior support. Prior resistance becoming support. So it was resistance all in here, resistance all in here. Actually, it was all the way over here on the left. It was prior little support, resistance, resistance, blew through it. Now we're watching for that to become potential support. So that's the next key area, major key area based off the daily you'll be watching for. But again, this is not very strong market right now. So be patient and wait for the high probability setups. Here's Ethereum. We were watching for the potential double bottom and sort of ignoring this little hiccup, and now it's definitely a triple bottom or even a full quad bottom. Those targets are way gone right now. Holding up a little stronger than Bitcoin, but not much. Again, this is more of a continuation pattern. Has not been able to get above the rotation zone. Came up here with a 12.5% retracement and declining rotation zone and rotated back down. In order for me to get interested at all, we have to get above this 412 level and then at least rally to 421, and then I'll watch for some kind of pullback with the potential first cross rotation zone. Otherwise, there is no bottoming pattern right now. So nothing really to do. Same levels in place, 383 and 368 to the downside. Just not trying to call a bottom in this because, again, we just don't have a lot of key support and the cryptos are weak. So I'd rather give up some price and get the trend moving back in the right way than try to be aggressive, especially without a bottoming pattern. And this isn't even a good sloppy horizontal channel to buy a breakout on. And I'm not just going to keep buying support down here because the more it's tested, the more it's likely to break. So we're not looking to do that. Let's check in on that daily chart, see where the key levels are. 420 on the daily chart, which would be rallying up to this little prior resistance level with the declining 8. And then through that, I'd really be watching right in here, the 431 area in the rotation zone before I even start looking at the 439 other side. So I then watch very carefully the 431 area. Again, nothing else really to do but wait. It looks like we still get some waning momentum, but that does not mean it can't go lower. Not a lot of strength coming in. Again, yesterday just very small up day. Slightly stronger than Bitcoin, but not much. Just not a lot of buyers stepping in or willing to step in just yet. So I would steer clear and wait for a high probability entry in both Bitcoin and Ethereum and just sit on your hands. And if you did do something, hopefully you knew where your stop was. If we're now below your stop, you should take it and just go back to sitting on your hands and not go into this mode. I hope it doesn't go lower. I hope it doesn't go lower, because the trend is still down. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.